take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. You've been carrying a lot. Disappointment, uncertainty, pressure to figure it all out. But right now, you don't have to carry anything. Right now, you're just here, breathing, existing, and that's enough. Feel the weight of expectation fall away. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are simply in a moment of transition, a pivot. And that pivot can be a powerful beginning. Let your body relax. Let your thoughts slow down. This space is for you to rebuild, not by rushing into what's next, but by remembering who you are beneath the title, the to-do list, the job description. You are more than your role. You are more than your resume. You are still whole, still valuable, still needed. Think about everything you've already overcome. This isn't your first challenge. And you've made it through before, stronger, wiser, more grounded. That same strength still lives in you now. Repeat quietly in your mind, I'm allowed to begin again. I trust the timing of my path. I am not starting over. I'm moving forward with experience. A layoff does not define you. It doesn't take away your skills, your impact, your voice, or your vision. It simply means it's time to pivot, to realign with something new. And what's ahead of you may be greater than you can even imagine right now. Take a moment to picture your future self, not stressed, not lost, but focused, steady, clear. They didn't get there overnight. They got there one breath, one belief, one brave step at a time. And that journey starts here with self-trust. Say this to yourself. I give myself permission to reset. I honor my growth. I believe in the new version of me that's being created through this transition. You are not alone in this. Many have walked this path before you and found strength they didn't know they had. You will too. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, release the need to have it all figured out. You don't need all the answers to move forward. You just need courage, and you already have that inside you. The pivot has begun. Now let it lead you back to yourself.